recognized the critical role of DLCO East Africa in controlling the transboundary pests that pose a threat to food security in the region and beyond, reiterated the need for the organization to transform and modernize its operations in migratory pest control, recognized the seriousness of other emerging migratory pests in the region, recognized the need to review and update the DLCO East Africa Convention in order to be able to address the current emerging challenges of migratory pests in the region.